This is a video on how to use the app if you're a scaffolder in a scaffolding company. So we're going to do this live. It's on a mobile device, a tablet or a mobile phone. We're not going to use the computer for it, so you can see how it's used in real life. So we switch on our mobile device and we press the Flobot app, and we have a calendar which appears. In this case it's the June the 20th 2020 rather, and we can see we have 3 dots here, which denotes that we have a job. So we press one of them and out it pops. We have a big orange blob. It says I've got to do a job from 8 till 6. Here's where it's at, that site, and if I want to, I can call the customer because I might be in my van or running late or whatever. I can text them, I can locate them. So if I click this, it will take me to it, and this button will actually drive me there on Google Maps. I'm not quite drive you there. So we go back. If we've got multiple jobs in a day, we can press the route button and that will give us the correct route. But let's get into the job. So we click it. We can see we've got our contact details here, who we're seeing. Again, if we want to, we can navigate there. We're most importantly, we're looking at our job details. So we can see that we've had a project sheet published. Needs a very large scaffold. This is in actual fact exactly the same as this project sheet which is in here. So if I click that, it opens up. I can now see here's the details of the job, description of the proposed work. If I want to, I can press this link here. So this could be anything. Most likely in this particular instance it's actually a schematic. So it's a little drawing of what we need to do. Here's some images that have been taken to show us where to do it, which have been sent from the estimator. And once we've had that, we've seen it, we've built our scaffold and we're happy with it, we want to take some evidence that we've done the job. So we go to attachments and images, and we have the option here now of adding some new ones directly from our camera, or we can take some we've got in storage. So we may have gone through the day, added some pictures before, during and after, and now we just take them from our gallery, put them into the phone. So these are the ones that we're going to put on the job sheet. We'll go down to job description. We want to leave some notes in here what we've done. So here's a previous one that I did on the video earlier. But if we want to make it quick, we can press that button and then we can talk into it and it will take down everything that we say. So that's pretty good. It saves you some typing. It's been added. Our job complete sign off, assuming the customer is there, in which case they might put NA. You might write that if they're not there, or they'll sign it and then the engineer signs it to say I'm happy with it and I've done it. And also, if you have a customer name, it asks you, because you know on site anyone will sign anything, but you know when it comes to finding out who actually did it at the end because something went wrong, it's always good to have a name. And then finally, or in some cases this might actually come first, but it's finally on the sort of job flow on the app, you may have to put one of these certificates in, or 2 or 3, or maybe you know, or all of them. So we have here so method statement, customer, and we submit it. Now that's submitted, that will go out with the job sheet. So once we're happy with everything that we have there, we can have a quick through the summary. We've got our job description, we've got the pictures, and we've got the signature, and then we simply submit it. And once it's it goes green down here, and that's it, off to the next job.